Welcome to Learn with Amin. In this video, we will learn how to take care of the ants if the ant mound is not accessible to you, or if your house is swarming with ants and you want to take a permanent solution to this without the help of professional pest control, and you want to take care of the ants professionally, then this video is for you. So let's get started. First of all, you would have to buy this product. This is called as boric acid. So as you can see, this is 99% boric acid. It is an active ingredient and it acts against the ants and also cockroaches. So this boric acid is not available everywhere, but you can obtain this in Home Depot or Walmart, wherever there is pest control section, and you would want to buy 99% boric acid, because you can use it with some other substances in order to make a mixture for the bait and kill. So first of all, you need to understand that boric acid is a compound of boron and it's an active ingredient that acts against the cockroaches and ants, but this video is specifically for a ant kill mixture. And ants do not like to consume boric acid, so you want them to consume. So for that, you will be using a bait, and the bait can be sugar or honey. In our case, we will be using sugar because honey might not be available always, but sugar is always available. So you need to get the boric acid. And also this mixture is usually kept in open containers, and most people want to make it as a syrup. So if it's an open container and syrupy or liquidy, then there is a chance of it being spilled by children or pets, and you want to make sure that it does not spill because it contains sugar solution and it would attract ants within the house. And also you want this mixture to not evaporate basically. So that's why we want this to be very thick mixture, so that it does not evaporate easily, it does not harden, because if it is hardened, then the ants cannot access our bait and kill substance. So for that, I will be using a closed container. As you can see, this is a closed container, and if you can see, I have made holes within them so that the smell of sugar reaches the ants and they use their scent to call upon all of the ants to get to this mixture, and they take this mixture and they take it to the queen and to the mound, and basically it is consumed by all the mound and the queen, and the whole mound get destroyed. And this is applicable in cases when the mound is not accessible to you. If it is accessible to you, then there is a very easy solution of soapy water. Have made videos and shorts on my channel regarding that. You can watch them. I'll also post a link in the description, so that is very easy and it can be directly applied to the ant mound. Now since the ant mound is not accessible, this is the way that you want to deal with. And if you see any activity of ants on a particular trail or location, so that is where you want to keep this mixture. So I would like to use recipe that is customized for my case, and you can do this too. Most people like to use the ratio of 8:1 for sugar is to boric acid, but I like to use it less than 6:1. So first of all, I'm taking boric acid. As you can see, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of boric acid. So let me add to this. Now in order to make a very thick paste, I would have to take care of it. Now if you see here, okay, after adding 1 tablespoon of boric acid, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar into this. Okay, after every 1 tablespoon addition, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of water into it, and then I'm going to give it a mix. Okay, Okay, after that you are going to add one more tablespoon of sugar into this, then add 1 tablespoon of water into this, and then give it a mix. So we'll do this for 6 tablespoons of sugar, and as you remember I have already added 1 tablespoon of boric acid into it. Repeat the steps. I now feel that the water is sufficient, so in that case I'm going to add all of the powdered sugar into this. And I forgot to mention that this water is a little bit warm water, and that's the best for you to mix borax, boric acid and sugar properly. I have this mixture with me. Now in order to spread the smell, I have also made holes on the lid. Okay, now this is closed, and I have also written that this is borax plus sugar bait, so that I remember this and I keep this away from children and pets. Now this particular box or container you can keep outside in the sun or under the shade or inside the home. So this way you will avoid the spillage, and this is a very effective solution in order to take care of the ants permanently and in a professional way. Now then there are other options available to you. You can go to Walmart and get some bait stations available to kill ants. So basically they have this mixture in the ant station, and that ant station or bait station are put at different locations within the house. I have shown you the mixture, and it is the same mixture that is used in the professional bait stations, and you can make more than one bait station and place it around the house, so it will be as effective. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my home maintenance and home ownership video series. If you do, please comment. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.